lucky, that snake. I don't know if y'all have looked for jobs or not lately, but the pickings are kind of sparse. I've got a job right now that's not bad. I can pretty much get overtime whenever I feel like it, which has been really nice. But at the same point, I'm kind of at that point where I don't want to have to work overtime to get a check that I like. That sucked. I got shit in my eye. Anyway, I've been looking here and there, and I can't really find a whole lot. I can find second shift and third shift like no other, but I want a first shift job because I've got my life situated around first shift. I can find a lot of places that'll say they're hiring too, and I'll like apply, but nothing ever comes of it, which is kind of garbage. No callbacks, not even a, hey, fuck you, we didn't choose you, nothing. Not to mention on Indeed, apparently there's a lot of fake applications or, oh my gosh, what are they called? Openings, listings, whatever. On Indeed, there's a lot of fake jobs for you to apply to. Also, a company can meet a quota or something for whatever government shit they do. So yeah, the job market's kind of trash. Especially for someone like me. I don't have a college degree in anything. I dropped out like a year into a computer-aided design and CNC programming course. And I don't want to blame the instructors, but that one guy, holy shit, he was on his way out the door for retiring, and you could tell because he would just like barely show you anything and be like, alright, go to Blackboard online, good luck, good, you're there, man. No, we were not there. I was never there. Did not understand shit about coding. I mean, it is what it is, though. I wish the job market was better. It seems like everything now requires so much experience and so much like money to spend up front to get a degree or a piece of paper that says, hey, I know what I'm doing, instead of the prior experience that says, hey, I've been knowing what I'm doing even without that piece of paper. Or even, hey, I want to learn how to do this. I don't want the piece of paper. Give me an apprenticeship and pay me enough money to live off of, at least a little bit, so that way I can still pay bills while I learn, and then give me the full amount when I have learned enough and you trust me to hire me on full time. Or sign a piece of paper saying that I did an apprenticeship, and if you don't want me around, fuck you guys, that kind of thing, you know? But I know this is also 2025, and a lot of shops are a lot more greedy than they used to be. I mean, don't get me wrong, I know they always had to run a business. But come on, man, a multi-million-dollar company bragging about making multi-millions and they still only, like, pay you $2 more than fucking minimum wage. Just get real, man. The place I work at, its starting wage is like $15 or $17. I'm fairly certain that that's not too far off of McDonald's starting wage. No, actually, yeah, it is not that far off. When I worked at McDonald's, surprise, surprise, I worked at a McDonald's. I hated it. I was an opener and I made $14.50 an hour. I'm making $19.87 an hour now. Such a huge jump, man. But again, I don't want to... The other part of this too, though, is like the job market sucks a lot, but I'm also kind of like apprehensive about trying to find a new place right now, right before winter, while I've got stuff I got to pay off. One, because I don't want to have to set all my direct deposit up again. So I've got 3 bank accounts my direct deposits go into. And second off, I don't want to be the new guy and have a layoff come through and suddenly I'm out of the equation. I'm up shit's creek without a paddle, you know? My savings account isn't gigantic by any means, and that probably wouldn't last me long enough to actually pay off anything, so like I'd be fucked. don't know. Maybe it's just the economy that's garbage right now. I'm not gonna say I've been sheltered, but like, I started really working right before COVID hit. I started working like 2018, 2019, and then I got a real job in 2022. My fast food is a real job. I know, I get it. I mean, a job that paid me more than minimum wage in 2022, and I've only ever known it being expensive as shit for everything, so I don't know if this is like bad or if this is just a new normal. I'm a younger guy. I'm 26 right now. I understand I haven't been through the same hardships as a lot of the people that have probably watched this, because my demographic is usually 30 plus. Oh my god, 30 is only 4 years away. Anyway, my demographic is working class, older than I am, I guess I should say. How's the job market and wherever you guys are? I know Michigan kind of sucks, or West Michigan sucks. What's it like down in like Georgia or Florida or Texas? I don't know where y'all are actually from. I pay attention to a couple of y'all, but the rest of y'all kind of lose track of where y'all are from. I don't know. I guess we hope the future holds what we all need, and not what we don't. Damn, son, we're both compensated.